Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make align center a text box in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, now click for the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for plus new option. Then now click for text box, then create text box. This text box is background color from. Click for the fill color option, then choose color and border color option. Then text box and write your text. This text is align center and going to the more menu option and click for the align option and click for the center align option. Then all text center align and click for the all text option and click for the align option and click for the center align option. And text change color of and click for the save and close option. Then I show the make it align center text box in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.